Welcome to Rest of His Channel.
Halo, assalamualaikum Tante Brosis. Apa kabar pengen semua? Semoga kabar pengen semua sehat dan bahagia. Nah, kali ini Ulun Rest of His Channel merubah konsep dari akuarium partisi Ulun. Dari yang sebelumnya ikan koki campur-campur menjadi khusus ikan koki jenis rancu. Oke Tante Brosis, sebelum mulai angka baiknya pian klik tombol subscribe, like, comment, dan share channel ini agar semakin semangat dalam memberikan informasi mengenai dunia perikanan ikan asal. Selamat menonton. Assalamualaikum.
You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Oke Om Tante Brosis, sampai di sini dulu video kali ini. Apabila ada kesalahan informasi yang Ulun sampaikan, bisa pian tulis di kolom komentar. Sampai ketemu di video berikutnya. Ulun undur pamit. Assalamualaikum.